you mean, people that don't know, say Yaadman Etan, and today I played Never Have I Ever with my Instagram followers. Yo, I don't want to miss the wildness on this.
Oh, you mean you don't subscribe yet? Oh, you mean you don't turn on the notification bell? Oh, you mean you don't like, share and comment? Oh, you mean you don't tell a friend them about Yaadman Etan?
So people them, this is Never Have I Ever. I had my followers send in some Never Have I Ever questions on Instagram, and we're going to keep it completely anonymous. What was that? Anyways, yeah. So we had people sending some Never Have I Ever questions on Instagram, and here's what's going to happen. It's either I did it or I can mix a drink right now. Whoops. Take time. Soda it up a little bit. Yeah. Alright. So it's either I did it or I take a drink. Never have I ever sucked toes. Listen. What is Yaadman doing with a foot in his mouth? Listen, I have never sucked toes, alright? Never have I ever fucked a girl so hard she started to squeak. So there I was, right? I was doing my thing, you know what I mean? Like I was doing my thing, and then all of a sudden my girl just come in like one geyser and just, not geyser, one gyalza and just, but it frightened. Never have I ever gotten naked at a nude resort. As a matter of fact, I've never been to a nude resort. Never have I ever been high. Kids watching this video, you see me drinking, but you never see me smoking. I have been high before. It's not my favorite thing. I don't like the feeling, alright? Never have I ever hanky-pankied with a girl I just met. Yeah. Wear a condom every time. And never have I ever stolen from my mother and father. I've never stolen anything from my mother or father. So mommy and daddy, if you're watching this video, just know, say, I am telling the truth in this video, and you raised me right. Alright? I might have bust open a girl like an overflowing coconut already, but I've never stolen from you. Never have I ever had an entanglement. I'm hating this word right now. I've never started an entanglement, okay? People daughter have probably had entanglements with me, but that was without me knowing that they were in relationships. Alright? I have never had an entanglement. Never have I ever had condensed milk and the bread. Listen to me. Condensed milk and hard-boiled bread is a Jamaican staple. If you've never had condensed milk and hard-boiled bread, you're not a Jamaican. So the next time you have some cornmeal porridge, some good, creamy cornmeal porridge, just broke up some hard-boiled bread on top of it and just drizzle some condensed milk over it and then name it after. Name it together, alright? Trust me. You're welcome. Never have I ever had a threesome. I've never had a threesome. I've never hanky-pankied with two girls one time. It's already enough that Yaadman has to disappoint one girl. You get me? I say, but disappointing two girls at the same time? A word that, listen, I barely have enough juice in my nether regions to give to one girl, much less two girls. Come on. Never have I ever nut in her mouth. I don't feel like I need to tell the story with this one. Never have I ever dated a friend's ex. I've never dated my friend's ex. I feel like that's like a boundary, like a boundary I should never cross. Never have I ever eat pum pum.
You serious?
So I eat pum pum. How does one go about eating pum pum? I don't understand. Like, do you put the pum pum on a plate and then like use a knife and fork, and then you're supposed to chew the pum pum and then swallow the pum pum? Like how you eat food? I have never eaten pum pum. Never have I ever dated a fan. Have I dated a fan? Dated a fan? I've never dated a fan. Never have I ever hanky-pankied with a fan. Sometimes the social media thing has its perks. Is it me? Never have I ever eaten pum pum with Tigger. What? For my non-Jamaicans who don't know what Tiggers are cheese crunches. It's a type of cheese crunches we have in Jamaica. Never have I ever eaten pum pum with Tiggers. Never have I ever been with Shensia.
Alright, hold on then. Let me get on one knee for that one here. And if you get on one knee for that one here. Shenying. We can strangle and tie you up like goat.
Never have I ever had a stalker. So, I had an ex, and after we broke up, she started stalking me. But that is a story for another time. Never have I ever hanky-pankied with a white girl. No, I've never hanky-pankied with a white girl. Never have I ever choked somebody like a KFC biscuit. You know when the hanky-panky nice and sweet, and you just like, you feel like you just need to rough her up a little bit. So you just put your hand around her neck, hey, just make her stifle for ear, and like her light flashes before her eyes, so it's even more intense for her. Yeah, man. Yes, I have. This is starting to work. Never have I ever engaged in the hanky-panky with somebody's daughter in public. There's a reason why they call me Yaadman. I will do this in your yard. The first time I ever hanky-pankied was actually at Hope Gardens. So yeah, we have no shame on this channel. And see to people, for the last one for this video, never have I ever ate. Yo, me know upon that. Some girls tell me say them make Jamaican man do them something. They listen to me.
Yes.
What you mean?
No, my gun.
Never have I ever. I'm not plan to do that neither. Alright? People that don't know say Yaadman Etan, make sure you send a subscribe and keep the vibe and all them things there. We're gonna have more videos rolling out soon and very soon. Alright? People them that don't know Yaadman Etan. And we are out. And I am a little tipsy. Ooh.